Hello and welcome to this checkmate into chess puzzle. This one was created by L Bauderman in 1878. Black just has the king, a pawn, bishop and the knight. White has the king, a bishop, the queen and a rook. It's White's turn. Can you see the checkmate in 2? Moving your queen to g6 isn't a mate in 2, but it is a mate in 3. Black king is forced to move to b7. Then you can move your queen to b8, force the king down to a6. Then you can take with the rook for just the checkmate in 3. Moving your queen to d6 results in the same eventual checkmate. After you move the queen to b8, the same as before, and you checkmate with the rook, but only in 3. Taking the knight with your rook isn't a mate in 2, it's only a mate in 3 unless black pushes their pawn, because then you can move the queen in for the mate in 2. Instead, the king can move, and when you check the king with your queen, the king moves into the corner and you can get the mate in just 3 this way, or by moving your queen to c8. Moving your king to c7 won't get you a mate in 2 unless black does something like advance their pawn, because then you can mate with the queen. But black can save the mate in 2 by moving their knight to b5, checking your king. Okay, let's have a look at the solution to this one, so pause the video if you need some more time. To get the checkmate in 2 for white, you need to move your rook to g2, sacking it. If the bishop takes your rook, you can then move your queen to g2, taking the bishop back to checkmate in 2. If black pushes their pawn, you can then just move your queen to a6 to checkmate in 2. If black decides to move their knight, then you can move your queen to c6 to checkmate in 2. And if black decides to move their king to b7, you can still move your queen to c6 to do the checkmate in 2. That's the end of this one. Please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you again soon.